Pygeum Africanum. Pygeum mother tincture is used for treating symptoms of enlarged prostate, benign prostatic hyperplasia, and prostate cancer. It is also used for pain caused by inflammation, kidney disease, urinary problem, malaria, stomach, fever, and to increase sexual desire. Pygeum africanum mother tincture contains triterpenes, ferulic acid, and phytosterols. Ferulic acid lower prostatic cholesterol level and phytosterol block prostaglandin synthesis, leading to reduced pain and inflammation. Triterpenes also blocks enzyme responsible for destruction of connective tissues, leading to possible improvement in symptom of an enlarged prostate. Benign prostatic hyperplasia. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, also called prostate gland enlargement, is a common condition as men get older. An enlarged prostate gland can cause uncomfortable urinary symptoms such as blocking the flow of urine out of the bladder.